Okay, tech family, here's our first official sign of the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and even if it doesn't tell everything, it's still worth talking about. Recently, a new entry on Geekbench for a Samsung handset with the model code SMF956U appeared. Spoiler alert, it is most likely the US version of the next Z Fold 7. The Geekbench test revealed what then? To begin with, the Fold 7 has the much-anticipated Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, which has already broken records on the Galaxy S24 Ultra at this point. Therefore, whether you're using the large interior display for gaming or juggling 3 applications at once, performance is projected to be at an exceptional level. We wouldn't be shocked if Samsung eventually released a 16GB version, but the listing also confirms 12GB of RAM, which seems sturdy. The most fascinating feature, however, is the software. The Geekbench listing clearly states that the Fold 7 is running Android 14, but more importantly, it has One UI 8. Importantly, this is the first concrete proof that Samsung's next foldables would come with UI 8 pre-installed. As a result, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 ought to come with the same upgrade automatically. Let's have a look at it in more detail. One UI 8 is anticipated to be based on Android 16, which Google hasn't even formally launched yet. Samsung may release Android 16 for other Galaxy smartphones earlier than expected, maybe before the end of 2025, if the company is already testing One UI 8 internally on upcoming hardware. Given the whole One UI 7 fiasco, an early Android 16 upgrade would be a welcome change, and that's really significant for anybody using a recent Galaxy flagship or even some mid-range handsets. In recent Samsung history, the deployment of One UI 7 was among the most turbulent. Not only was it delayed for weeks, but consumers also had to deal with odd problems, inconsistent user interfaces, and in some places, missing functionality. It was, to put it mildly, annoying. However, it seems that Samsung is trying to make a change for the better with One UI 8, if this Geekbench ranking is any guide. It is hoped that they have learned from the chaos of the last cycle and are striving for a more polished, expedited, and internationally consistent release this time. Of course, this is just the first stage. As Samsung's Summer Unpacked event draws near, further leaks and official previews are probably in store, including the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. Thus, pay close attention as Samsung's next foldables and software are poised to make a significant impact if this early Geekbench ranking provides any indication. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So, without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.